Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a music bot to Discord. To begin, open up any web browser and search for this website. Next, enter Green Bot into the search bar, as shown by the green logo. Click on the logo to access the page. On the top right corner, you will find an Invite button. Click it to open the authorization page. Select the server you want to add and click the Continue button. Choose the administration option and click on Authorization. Complete the human verification and you will see that it is authorized. Now return to the Discord application. You will receive a welcome message with further instructions. Join a voice channel and type /play in the chat. Query box will appear where you can type the name of your desired song, such as Work by Rihanna, and press Enter. Voila! The green board will begin playing this song. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more.